Did you know that nearly half of all popular cleaning hacks circulating online have never been scientifically tested? Yet, some of these unconventional methods gain massive followings, promising to transform our cleaning routines with just a few household items. This raises an intriguing question. Can something as simple as mixing soap and toothpaste really outperform our usual cleaning products? The answer might surprise you. Today, I decided to put the viral soap and toothpaste cleaning hack to the test. I've seen countless videos and posts claiming that this unlikely duo can tackle tough stains, restore shine, and refresh surfaces in ways that store-bought cleaners sometimes can't. But before I dove in, I wondered, why would toothpaste, a product designed for our teeth, and soap, meant for washing hands or dishes, make such a powerful combination for cleaning? I wanted to see if this hack was all hype or a genuine discovery that could make cleaning easier for all of us. Let's face it, cleaning is a universal challenge. Whether it's stubborn soap scum on your bathroom tiles, grimy sink fixtures, or mysterious marks on countertops, we've all faced those moments when our regular cleaning arsenal just doesn't cut it. Sometimes, the strongest sprays and scrubs seem to do little more than move the dirt around. That's why hacks like the soap and toothpaste method are so appealing. They promise quick, effective results using items we already have on hand. But are they too good to be true? Before I began, I gathered the materials: a plain white toothpaste, no gels or fancy whitening agents, a standard liquid dish soap, a small bowl, an old toothbrush, a soft microfiber cloth, and some stubborn stains to put the hack to the ultimate test. The idea behind this method is simple. Combine a pea-sized amount of toothpaste with a squirt of dish soap, mix them together, and use the mixture to scrub away grime on surfaces like bathroom sinks, faucets, and even kitchen appliances. The toothpaste's mild abrasiveness, combined with the grease-cutting power of dish soap, is said to lift stains and leave surfaces gleaming. My expectations were mixed. Part of me was skeptical. After all, if it were really this easy, wouldn't everyone already be doing it? But I was also hopeful. I chose 3 test spots: a water-stained bathroom faucet, a grimy patch on my kitchen sink, and a bit of scuffed tile grout that had resisted previous cleaning attempts. Step 1. I squeezed a small blob of toothpaste into the bowl and added an equal amount of dish soap. I mixed them together until they formed a smooth, creamy paste. The scent was surprisingly pleasant, fresh and clean, with a hint of mint. Using the old toothbrush, I dipped into the mixture and tackled the bathroom faucet first, scrubbing gently in circular motions. Almost immediately, I noticed the mixture foamed up nicely, clinging to the metal and getting into all the little crevices. Next, I moved on to the kitchen sink, repeating the process. The oily residue that had built up around the drain seemed to dissolve as I scrubbed, and the surface started to look noticeably brighter. Then came the true test: the tile grout. I applied the mixture and let it sit for a minute, allowing the active ingredients to work their magic. After a little brushing, I wiped the area with the microfiber cloth and inspected the results. This is where things got interesting. The bathroom faucet, which had been dull and spotted, now gleamed with a mirror-like shine. The kitchen sink was not only cleaner, but felt smoother to the touch, with no greasy film left behind. But the biggest surprise was the grout. The toothpaste and soap mixture actually lightened the discoloration, making the lines look fresher and more uniform. I hadn't expected such a dramatic difference. Along the way, I discovered a few tips that made the process even more effective. First, using a soft bristled toothbrush allowed me to get into tight spaces without scratching delicate surfaces. Second, letting the mixture sit for a minute or two before scrubbing gave the soap and toothpaste time to break down dirt more efficiently. Finally, a thorough rinse and wipe with a damp cloth ensured no residue was left behind, which is important because toothpaste can leave a white film if not fully removed. There were a couple of things to watch out for. While the hack worked wonders on metal and ceramic surfaces, I'd be cautious using it on natural stone or delicate finishes, as the mild abrasives in toothpaste could potentially cause micro-scratches over time. And always make sure to use a plain, non-gel toothpaste. Anything with extra whitening agents or granules might be too harsh. Overall, I was genuinely impressed by how well the soap and toothpaste cleaning hack performed. It took just a few minutes, used ingredients I already had in my home, and delivered results that surpassed some of the specialty cleaners I've tried. It's a great solution for those quick cleaning jobs when you don't want to run to the store or use harsh chemicals. Plus, the fresh scent left behind was a nice bonus. In summary, the soap and toothpaste cleaning hack is more than just an internet fad. It's a surprisingly effective tool for tackling everyday cleaning challenges. It won't replace every cleaner in your cabinet, but it's a handy trick to have up your sleeve, especially for sinks, faucets, and tile grout. If you decide to try it, remember to test a small, inconspicuous area first and stick to gentle scrubbing. If you found this experiment helpful and want to see more honest reviews of popular cleaning hacks, don't forget to subscribe for future updates and tips. Your support means the world, and I'm always excited to test new methods so you don't have to. Thanks for joining me on this cleaning adventure, and until next time, keep your spaces sparkling and your curiosity alive.